Well, here's AMD. This is one that we exited out right around here as we had we just felt we were really getting caught on the wrong side with this. This is something that continued to sell off a little bit, and that was evidently correct as we continue to go much lower here. We see a nice little gasp rally there, but then it has to gasp back down. Really, I think a lot of times at end moves you start to see these gapping moves, and they're usually called exhaustion gaps. And this could be what we're seeing here. You see the pullback, and then you see it not create a new low. We're seeing different momentum here, and I think we could be seeing a change in trend coming around if it can kind of at least hold this. I think, of course, a prior low is at around this 161 level, and so at least if it can kind of hold that prior low, then I think we're okay here. And we have a couple other areas where, as far as retracement ranges that could provide a little bit of support around this 165, and you can also see the software showing support right here around that range. But I think we're starting to see this try to lift its head up a little bit. We have kind of a decline right here. We're trying to get this a little bit earlier than the break. That's always could be problematic, especially if it kind of just gasps back down and run sideways a little bit. That's always a possibility, but I think we could be seeing this trying to make the break back up and trying to make another retest higher. I think for where we're at here, we're about 40 cents cheaper from where we exited, so I think it might make sense. And obviously waiting around for it to create a prior low. So far that we have that low, as long as it maintains that, I think we could be seeing it try to advance now. We'll see if it can, but I think it makes sense to try to see if this is ready to continue to move higher here. It is a good company, just has a very difficult time with Intel because it's competing with that, but it's held its own for a very long time. So I still think it's a very viable one.